Right, so over there is Farnborough Airport, about a mile away, and we're in the flight restricted zone for this airport. And of course you can't fly here, but you can, and if you want to learn how, watch this video. So step one is try to find out who you need to contact to fly in a particular airspace. So for this I use the Altitude Angel website. You click on the airspace you want to fly in and you go down and look for the contact number of the places you want to fly. Give them a call. In this instance they sent me to the NATS website where I had to submit a non-standard flight request. This process might be different for different airports, but if you give them a call and ask them, they're normally very happy to help. So once you've found out where you need to apply, go over to the NATS app if that's what they've suggested you do. Put your aircraft, your what category you're flying in, obviously the name, the serial number, all the details. So a little tip, when you get to the date, don't just choose one day, choose a few days, choose a week or two, because it'll give you the option to do that, and it'll also be more useful because if you find it's raining on the day you want to film, you've then got to go through the process again of a 2-week wait potentially. So give yourself plenty of time in which to complete the flight, and once you've actually set it up you can fly as many times as you want within that time. Just going through selecting the runway here or the airport, and then I'm just choosing exactly where it is that I want to fly. Now I've not been up to Caesar's Camp, which is where I want to fly, so I looked at Google and tried to find the dead centre of Caesar's Camp and I put it there. I picked quite a big radius because I wasn't sure exactly where it is that I was flying, but you could see that the radius I chose actually was almost over the flight path. So once you've chosen the location, it'll take you to a form which gives you a summary. Click the 2 check boxes as well as not being a robot. In my experience they ask you to give at least 14 days notice to get approval, but once you give them enough time the approval normally comes through. I've never had a problem with it. So I've now got my non-standard flight permission and we're heading off to the shoot, and the sky looks really good because that's really what we want to get, is the sky. And to me the sky almost is the most important thing in any video, and get some decent light. A lot of people here though, so I just hope it doesn't cause a problem, but yeah, the sky is beautiful. I never knew how busy it was going to be here. There's people absolutely everywhere, and dogs and birds. And we're going to the most popular place here. So we'll have to see. Maybe we'll have to reschedule. Maybe we'll have to get here first light. That'd be fun. So now we're approaching the important part where I want to be, and I can't quite see if there's anybody there yet, but we'll see in a second. And there's a cow. I've seen the cattle grids, there's 2 cows, but I kind of wasn't expecting. Obviously don't, oh, 3 cows. We obviously don't want to scare the cows. There's sun poking through the clouds. Looks really good. It should look really good on the video. So you can see we have cows, but I'm certainly going to keep my distance away from them because the last thing I want is a cow chasing me. There is a breeze today. It's relatively light, nothing to worry about, I don't think. You can see Farnborough Airport. It's just behind me over there somewhere. We'll get a proper view in a minute. So that's about 10 or 15 minutes before I want to fly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call air traffic control now and get approval. So at least when I get there, I can start. I mean, the operation on this airport, I think, is till 9 o'clock on weekdays. So I'll give them a call. Right, so part of the condition is that I need to call an hour before and just let them know that I'm going to fly. So I'm going to do that now. Hello, yeah, I've got permission for a non-standard flight. I just wanted to give you a call to check it's okay to fly. Do you want my number? Yeah. It is, yes. Can you hear me better? Hold on. Give me a second, I'll find it. Hold on. Sorry, it's here, and it is, the number is 785.
785.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's on the airdrome one, is it?
No, it's not. I'm off to the side. So I'm at Caesar's camp, basically.
785. Okay. Is that Colin?
It is, yes.
Okay. Number ending 375.
That's it.
Okay. Are you going up now?
About 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay, let me just read this which I've got there. So you're cleared to enter the flight restricted zone, remaining within the stated operating area of your NSF, ENSF approval. The flight is required to take place in accordance with Articles 94, 94 Alpha to Foxtrot, 95 and 241 of the Air Navigation Order. And you are responsible for avoiding all other aircraft at all times. If you just give me a call when you're complete.
Will do. What time are you there till?
We're here until probably 10 o'clock.
Okay, yeah, it'll be way before then, so that's cool. Alright, thank you.
Okay,
Speak to you later. Yeah, bye.
Speak to you later, bye.
Bye. Right, so it's simple as that. Just give them a call, and they're normally really helpful. So now we're ready to go. I just need to find space and check there's no cows or stuff about, so that's cool. So I think I found my spot. Take off and land. So I am a good 50 metres away from people. With my A2 CFC I need to be 50 metres away with the Mavic Air 2, but with my GVC I could actually fly, I can take off within 30 metres, but I didn't ask for didn't ask for authorisation on the specific category, just in the open category, so I'm going to obey the open rules. Interestingly, DJI doesn't show this as a flight restricted zone. It doesn't mention the airport, so it's a bit random really. So I'd say never trust the DJI app, always look at the NATS app or the Altitude Angel app. So I've done my pre-flight checks. I'm just going to clear a bit of this away, check there's nobody around, which I think we're okay, and we're going to go. Tells me that RF Odeon is not far away and don't go above 150 metres, which is stupid anyway because you can't do more than 120. Done a drone flight. I just wanted to tell you I've finished. Brilliant. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, bye. And that's how easy it is. Just literally call back to them to tell them that you're finished. They're all really helpful, really useful. Simple. So we were lucky because actually there was no planes that went up today, and also we could get a really good view of the runway, and the planes generally come out towards us so that we could see them before they took off. So it's quite straightforward with such a good vantage point to see. Didn't get any amazing shots, and the sunset wasn't really that special. But now you know how to get permission to fly places that you would normally fly. Right, if this video has been useful for you, please click the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. If you could hit the thumbs up, that'd be cool as well. And if you could also comment, brilliant. And even if you turn that little bell notification on, that'd be great as well. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.